Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about various mini car here. So now let's check, clean and show you. Let's clean with me everyone. បាទបងប្អូនអរគ្នាឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការបាទ check ឡានបាទប៉ុន្តែដំបូងយើងត្រូវដាក់ទឹកសិនបាទ we have to put some water first. Okay, I bring one, shake it in water. បាទបងប្អូនអរគ្នានេះគឺជាប្រភេទ super car បាទប្រភេទ super car orange super car, very nice super car. Everybody, let's check the next one. Helicopter. Everybody, helicopter. A very nice helicopter. Very nice helicopter. Let's move to the next one. Green sport car, green sport car, green super car, a very nice super car. Everybody, តោះបងប្អូនអរគ្នាឥឡូវយើង check the next one បាទ check the next one. Red police car, sorry, red motorbike. This is a red motorbike, red police motorbike. បាទប្រភេទម៉ូតូប៉ូលីសពណ៌ក្រហមបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ red police motorbike. Now check the next one. Okay, put some water, shake it in water. បាទអានេះគឺជាប្រភេទ monster truck បាទប្រភេទ monster truck, a very nice monster truck, super cool. Okay, check the next one. Nice airplane. Very cute airplane. Very cute airplane. Green airplane. Now check the next one. បងប្អូនអរគ្នាឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការshake it. Shake it strongly. យើងលាងរួចរាល់ហើយបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាយើងធ្វើការលាងឡាននេះរួចរាល់ហើយឡានពណ៌ក្រហមដ៏សែនស្អាតរបស់យើងបាទ Nice. Let's go to the next one. Another interesting cars. Another interesting car. Racing car, everybody, racing car number 21. A very nice racing car. Let's move to the next one. Let's clean red car. Pro 3, right? Number 3, red car. តោះឥឡូវយើង check the last one. Last two, no last one, last two. Này cứ hai Thái Lan của mẫu sầm ram nè các bạn. Garbage truck, garbage truck, orange color. Check the next one, last one. A mini racing car. A mini racing car, yellow color, number 8. Very nice. Okay, everybody, I should finish my video right now. But before I finish, I want to know you love it or not. If you love, please like, comment, and especially subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.